Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Shopify. So why should you consider using PPC? You'll gain access to a whole new and highly targeted audience looking for your goods or services. It's highly measurable and produces immediate results. It's great for brand awareness, especially if you're a new company. You only pay when individuals click through, indicating that they are interested or intend to buy something. The ad budget is variable, so you only spend what you set aside if well handled. Block all invalid clicks activity immediately. Secure your Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns with our automated click fraud protection software. Clixtell Compare Plans. In short, Clixtell has three main pricing options. The first one, Basic, is $15 per month. The second package is called Standard, and the price is $50 per month. The last option is Agency, which is $75 per month. You will get unlimited domains for up to 10,000 clicks. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.